Hi everyone. This is Algebra 1, Region Algebra 1, New York City, 2024 January. Okay, test. So we review part 1 this time, okay? Next date, we're gonna do part 2 to the end, okay? Okay, take a look. We have a dog walker speed and time is given up here. X-axis, time in minutes, speed, miles per hour, okay? Remember these two. So here, which statement best describes the dog walker was doing during 12 to 18 minutes? 12 to 18 minutes. What is this one? Speed is, doesn't change, constant speed. Okay. So he's working at constant rate, okay, with the same speed. Here we go, which value of x will make this relationship a function? A function is one value of x, one value of y. If we have one value of x over here, we have one value of y available. Okay, if we have two values of y, that is not a function. Take a look, x is all different. But this value, we have a 7 over here. Okay, it can be 0 or 2 or 4, right? In this case, we have one value of x, two value of y. Okay, so it should be 0, 2, 4 out, and 6 is the answer. Okay. All right, number 3. You have a rental company charges insurance fee and hourly rental rate. Insurance fee. One time, this is insurance fee, one time. This is the rate, always comes with the variable. This is the rate. So Rx is the total. That's true. X is the number of hours. That's true. $40 insurance fee? No, $40 is the rate. $30 hourly rate? No, 40 is hourly rate. This is 30, okay? So this 2 is wrong, okay? So 1 and 2 only is the answer. 11th term of a sequence. This is geometry sequence. So common ratio is what? Negative 2. So 11th term is a to the 11th term is first term times negative 2 common ratio and 11 minus 1, right? N minus 1. Do you remember? First one times R N minus 1. That's the formula, okay? So 11 minus 1 is 10. 3 times 10, 24. 3072, right? So choice 3 is the answer. Okay, which represent exponential growth? Exponential growth is 1 plus R times T, right? Something like this way. Okay, this one should be a percent, okay? Add $10. Every time $10 increased. This is 10, this 10, this 10, that is linear, okay? So constant increase or decrease always linear. This is a constant number. This is W is 2 equals 200%, right? It looks like what is that? The initial value, okay? Doubles. 1 plus 1, that is doubles, okay? Every 5 years, T over 5 actually, okay? So initial value times 2 to what? T over 5. Okay, that is the exponential. Number 4 is the answer, okay? Number 6, take out minus 4x squared, minus plus is minus 5x, minus minus is plus 2. So negative x squared, negative 4, negative 5. 3x minus 5x, negative 2x. Negative 7 plus is negative 5. Choice 2 is the answer, okay? All right, number 7, 3 units left. So instead of x, we replace with by x plus 2. Going down is what? Minus, okay? So x plus 2 square going down 2 units down is a minus 2. Okay, that's the answer. So 3 in the left, 3, okay? Choice 3 is the answer. And the equation over here, what it express a in terms of what? The other variables. So 2as equals, you can say b squared minus u squared, right? After that, you can divide by 2s. Okay, so choice 2 is the answer. Number 2, the survey student determined their favorite flavors of soft ice cream. So here, of students who preferred chocolate out of this one. We don't care about this. That is 109, right? Okay, approximately what percentage was senior? Senior is 67, 67 out of 109. Right? It's around the 60, more than 60, okay? Choice 4 is the answer. Or you can use your calculator, okay? All right, number 10, what is the value of f of 1? F of 1 is what? 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, right? This is 4. G of 3 is what? 3 times 5, okay? That is 40. So negative 10 is the answer, okay? Which one is the largest y-intercept? When x equals 0, the value of y is the largest. That is y-intercept. That is 2. This is 1, 2, 3, a little more, right? No, this is the y, okay? Y-intercept. That is the vertex, okay? This one is 1. And what about this? Minus 1 is y-intercept. What about this? This graph looks like this, right? 3. So y-intercept is, anyway, when x equals 0, the value of y is y-intercept, okay? That is 3, okay? The largest one is choice 3 is the answer. The number 2. Plan A, $15 with a charge. And this is the rate. This is a one-time fee, right? So company A is one-time fee, what? 15 plus 0.08. Company B is what? $3, $1, okay, one-time payment, and the charge is what? 0.12 tax. The number of tax days. They use the T, okay? They use the T over here. Comes with that. So which inequality should be used to show the cost of plan A is less than cost of plan A is less than plan B, okay? Yeah, that's the answer. Which one is the answer? Okay. Choice 1 is the answer, okay? All right, number 13. Which is the equation of x of symmetry? This is x of symmetry, okay? X equals negative vertical line, okay? Number 14, what is degree of this polynomial? Highest exponent, 3 is degree of polynomial. If we have two variables, x squared plus y cubed and plus x to the 4 and x to the 3 and 2xy and plus y in this case. So what is degree of this polynomial with two variables? This is 3, but we have two different variables here, right? In this case, what is the number of degree? We have to add this, okay? 2 for the x, another 2 for the y. 2 plus 2 is what? 4 here, right? 4 is greater than 3. This is a 1 and 2, right? So degree of this polynomial is 4, okay? But in this case, we have only one variable, x, okay? So 3 is the degree of this polynomial. Product, when you multiply x squared times x is by x cubed. The next one is 3x squared, okay? X cubed minus 3x squared, and 3 times up here, plus 3x squared, and negative 9x, positive 9x, and 9 times minus 27, okay? That is 3 times distribute, okay? All right. So this is canceled out. So x cubed minus 27 is the answer. And number 16, when you have this one, okay, better use like integer equation, right? Times 12. So this is what 8 times 3 minus 2x times 12 over here. This one 3, that is 9, okay? So 24 minus 16x equals to 9. So 16x to the move to the right, this move to the left. 24 now plus 9 is what? 15. Okay, so x equals 15 over 16, right? This is we said integer equation, okay? All right, number 17. Okay, graph on the same coordinate plane. What is the value of f of x equals g of x? Okay, if you can find the absolute value of the graph over here, to the right is the slope is 1, to the left the slope is negative 1, right? That is the graph of y equals g of x. 2x plus 6, 6 is over here. 2x is what? Slope is 2, a little steep over here, right? Actually, we have only one solution there, okay? You can solve this one, okay, using algebra, or you can check all these 4 options, okay? So I'm going to use, okay, in this case, maybe you can try, okay. The answer is, okay, we can check right each options. 6 is working. Okay, when x is 6, that is 12, plus 6 is 18. When the 6, that is 6, they're not equal. 2 is what? 2 times 2 plus 10 is 10. The right hand side 2. That is not working. Negative 2 is what? Negative 4 plus 6 is a positive 2. That is a negative 2. Absolute value is still positive, right? So 3 is the answer, okay? Because this one is a negative 3. Or you can use algebra a really difficult way. So y equals absolute value x equals x equals positive. Then y equals x. Okay, you can solve this. Y equals x and 2x plus 6. So x equals 2x plus 6. X equals negative 6. Okay, but it should be positive. This number is negative. That's not working. Okay. Second one is x equals less than 0. You got this one. Y equals negative x. The other is y equals 2x plus 6. You solve this. Okay, 2x plus 6 equals negative x. 3x equals negative 6. X equals negative. Okay, 2x equals right. Negative 3. Okay, negative 3 is satisfied this one. Okay, x is less than 0. It's okay. So that's why we got the negative 3. X equals negative 3. That's okay. Oops, there is no negative 3. Let me see. This is 3x, okay? I'm sorry. 3x, negative 2, okay? Yeah. Negative 2 is that's okay? Yeah. This is negative 2. And what is the solution to the equation? Okay, minus 2.5. Maybe you better move right to the right. That is 2.5 minus 2 is about 0.5x. This is a move to the left, negative 7 minus 3, negative 10, okay? So x is less than negative 20, okay? Choice 4 is the answer. 3 expressions are written below. Which one is equivalent to this one, okay? Over here, 2 cubed is 8. The power in multiplication, right? X cubed of y 6, that's true, right? Second one is a 2 cubed is still 8, x cubed, we have another y 6, same thing. So 2 times 8 and x squared plus 1 is 3, y is 2 plus 3, 5 only, not 6. That is not working, okay? So A and B only is the answer. So number 20, $4,000 interest certificate, CD, okay? 3% interest compound annually. What is the value of CD in X years? Okay. So 4,000. That's the formula, right? 0.03 in decimal, 3%. Okay, compounded annual, we use the T, okay? Because this is what annual interest rate. This one is annual interest rate, okay? So, what's the answer? This is a 1.03, okay? Choice 4 is the answer. All right, number 21, factor this one always, the negative x is a common factor out because we have a negative sign, always negative, okay? If this positive, not positive, you follow the sign over here. So inside is the x squared minus 10x and minus 24. So you can factorize this trinomial. What is that? Negative x, two numbers is what it is. You gotta be careful, not 4, 6, okay? 4, 6 is negative 10, negative 4, negative 6. That's going to be positive 24. That is not working. So this is working, 2 and negative 12. Okay. Sum of this one is negative 10, product negative 24. Okay. So x plus 2, x minus 12 is the answer. Okay. Choice 3 is the answer. Number 22. Yeah, with temperature 59 Fahrenheit, speed of sound at sea level is 1225 kilometers per hour. 1225 kilometers per hour. That is 1 hour. Okay. So we're gonna change this one into feet per second. Feet per second. First one, feet per second. Numeral. There's no feet over here. That is wrong. We have a feet per second. That's fine. But all other units must be cancelled out, right? So kilogram, kilometer, kilometer out. Miles, miles out. 1 hour, 1 hour is out. Minute, minute out. That's right. We got what? 50 altogether, right? This one times this number times this number and feet. And deducted by the 60 and another 60, right? Okay, that's the answer. The number 23. The zeros will be here. Negative 2, 4, and 0, right? So there's the x-intercept, negative 2, 0, and 4. each x-intercept generate a vector. Okay? This is x plus 2, this is x minus 4, okay? So which one is the answer? X plus x minus 4. Choice 3 is the answer. What is the range of this one? This is the vertex, right? When x is 4, y is 1, okay? The range is the value of y, okay? Always greater than equals to 1, okay? So choice 4 is the answer. Now that is our part 1, okay? Next time we're going to finish the part 2 to the end, okay? Thank you for joining the class.